I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing, but girl, get in position.
This is your room.
Chill channel.
They also come in the book. The director of the day. Tell us who you are, my guy.
Hi guys, my name is Martin.
But the lighting is not so good this side. Yeah, come this side. Who are you, my guy?
Hi guys, my name is Martin, but my friends call me Kai. And I am the director for today's content.
Ciao. Ciao. It's been so good for the day. And let's wrap up for today. And let me enjoy my stay. Cheers to that. Hi Hunnayboos, welcome back to my channel. I think I didn't really do a proper video. I'm here at Villa Grande in Welkom promoting this place. It's so beautiful. This one is irritating me, disturbing me, my guy. This place is so beautiful. Y'all should check it out. Honestly, it's a plug. If you really want a luxurious stay and a luxurious experience, please come to Villa Grande. It's a plug in Welkom. When we talk about Sandton, a Senten experience in Welkom. We talk about this place. Wow, it's so amazing. You want to be part of my video? Come. Don't worry. Don't be shy. Anyway, King, do you want to say something? You can say something. You can say something.
It was my first time here, so this place is quite amazing. It's breathtaking. I mean, Versace walls.
Versace walls.
I think guys, just come check it out, have a chill book, and man, the world is yours.
The world is yours, honestly. You heard it, not just from me, but from someone else. So